The Curious, Hungry Caterpillar. Once upon a sunshine-filled morning, a little green caterpillar hatched from a tiny egg on a leaf. He looked around, stretched all his legs, and said, "Wow, everything's so big and bright. I think I might be hungry." On Monday, the caterpillar wiggled through the grass and found a shiny red apple. He munched and crunched the whole thing. "Mmm," he said, "apples are the best." But his tummy rumbled again. "Still hungry," he whispered. Tuesday, he found 2 yellow bananas lying beside a bird's nest. He gobbled them up quickly and grinned. "Now I'm full. Oh, wait! No, I'm not!" Wednesday, the caterpillar spotted 3 juicy strawberries. As he ate, a butterfly fluttered down beside him. "Slow down, little one," the butterfly said gently. "Sometimes it's not just food that fills us up." The caterpillar blinked. "But I'm hungry." Thursday, he found 4 sweet cupcakes at a picnic spot. He ate them all, but soon clutched his belly. "Oof, my tummy hurts. Maybe I ate too much." A wise old beetle crawled by and chuckled. "It's not how much you eat, but what you learn that helps you grow," the beetle said. The caterpillar didn't quite understand, but he nodded anyway. Friday, he nibbled on 5 green broccoli stalks. "Oh, not my favorite," he muttered, "but maybe they'll help me feel better." And guess what? He did feel better, stronger, brighter. Saturday, the caterpillar felt sleepy. He tucked himself under a leaf and whispered, "Maybe it's time to stop eating and think about what everyone said." And so he dreamed. He dreamed of colors, kind words, laughter, and floating in the sky. Sunday, when he woke up, something amazing had happened. He wasn't a caterpillar anymore. He had wings, bright blue, shiny gold, and gentle green. "I'm a butterfly!" he shouted joyfully. He flew high and waved to the butterfly, the beetle, and even the birds. Before he flew off to new adventures, said, "Thank you all for the lessons. I learned that growing isn't just about filling your tummy. It's about feeding your heart, slowing down, listening, and being kind." And with a twirl and a giggle, he soared into the sky. So kids, what did you learn from this story? Because I learned that you should take your time to grow. You don't need to hurry. Little steps help you get big and strong. Listen to kind friends. Friends and grown-ups can teach you cool things. Don't eat too many sweets. Too much sugar can make your tummy grumpy. It's good to rest. Sleeping helps your body feel better and your mind think better. You change by learning. Trying new things and being nice helps you grow in your heart.